All right, here we are. Harrahs Action out here in Maricopa, Arizona. We are in the Action Tower on the 11th floor, 1162. As we proceed in, as most hotels, as soon as you walk in, you got the bathroom. You know, got a nice backlit mirror, single sink. Nice, decent shower, spacious shower. This is an older resort, but the tower is actually on the newer side. Got your thinking box. As you come out, got a nice little mirror. Look yourself up and down before you head out. We always get the two queens. Put our luggage on one, chill on the other. And I actually have another reason why we usually get that. I'm gonna save that for another video. So here we got the dresser. No mini bar or anything like that, but at least you can see the ice bucket, got some cups, coffee and stuff. Then down below, you got yourself the nice little mini fridge. What I like about a nice local casino, and a lot of the Caesars resorts will have the mini fridge. On this side, we'll have the safe. Have extra drawers for storage. Nice little desk. Mirror, get yourself shop. Nice little sit down area. And here's the view. Out here in the desert. Not really much to see. Doesn't show for the little lights that are out here in the connecting neighborhoods. It's probably gonna look pretty dope. So I'm also gonna put on the picture vid of what it looks like at night. Once again, Harrahs Action, the Action Tower. Hey, kind of like this spot.